Hi, it's Darnell with Wheel of Recipes. Today, I'm going to be cooking up some almond flour brownies in the Calphalon air fryer toaster oven, and we'll see how it does doing some baking of some almond flour brownies right now. So let's go over the ingredients for this cook. I've got, for dry ingredients, I've got a 1/4 cup of a granulated sweetener. You can use the one of your choice. I've got like a erythritol monk fruit blend. I've got 2 teaspoons of guar gum. This helps to bind the almond flour together well. Got a teaspoon of baking powder. I've got 2 cups of blanched almond flour here. And I've got a 1/2 cup of cocoa powder here. Those are all the dry ingredients. For the wet ingredients, I've got 2 large eggs. I've got a 1/4 cup of honey. Got 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. I've also got a 1.5 sticks of butter here. So that's basically like 12 tablespoons of butter. So I'm going to mix all the wet ingredients together in this bowl here, all the dry ingredients into the larger bowl there. Now I have the wet and dry ingredients mixed in their respective bowls. And I've got here in a pump spray bottle extra light olive oil. I'm going to spray that into a bake pan that I've got back here. Just get it very well coated and make it very non-stick. And I'm going to turn the cooker on. I'm going to turn the light out so that you can see the screen. You should be able to better see the display now. I'm going to set the cooker up to bake. I'm going to leave it at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, but I'm going to set the cooking time out to 30 minutes. We'll see how long it needs, if it needs that much. But I'm going to hit start there. I will say that I made this recipe for these types of cookers. So some cookers it takes 30 minutes, some it takes less. But I did make this with countertop cookers in mind, and some it does take the full 30. And others go a little faster. But I'm going to go ahead and get the wet ingredients mixed into the dry here, and then I'll get things off into the bake pan. Now I'm getting the batter, now that I've gotten it mixed and stirred up well, off into the bowl. I'm just going to spread it out. It's a pretty thick brownie batter to work with, so you just spread it out evenly across the bottom of the bowl. I mean, not bowl. Bake pan. I don't know what I'm talking about. Calling it a bowl. The bake pan. Yeah, so just gonna finish, spreading it out like so, and then once the cooker is nice and fully preheated, we'll get it on in. So the preheat is finished, and now it's time to get the brownie on in. So going to just put it on in here like so. Close up, hit start, and let things run, and I'll bring you on back later. So I've let things go for 24 minutes. Looks like they're done, the brownies are done, so I'm going to just cancel there and get things on out and turn the light on again so that you can see. But there's our completed brownies. I hope you can get a good look at them there. And I'm going to set them aside and let them cool. Alright, so I already got a piece out. I thought that I was recording when I wasn't, but I got a piece out. You can see the inside there. You can see the brownie plated. And so we're going to do a taste test. So thank God for our almond flour brownie. And let's taste. Looks like a piece just came off there. I'm going to go ahead and taste that. Almond flour brownie, it's always good. It's always a winner. So Calphalon is able to bake it up real nice. Did a good job. Didn't take a long time. And so that's all cool. And so in the video description, there'll be a printable version of the recipe. Also, there's lots of ways to help the channel. Nothing in these videos is sponsored. So, there's like the cookbook, There's memberships, merch, donations, all that good stuff. And if you did like the video, please give it a thumbs up, share the video with a friend, leave your comments, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification icon, and good eating.